Hi, this Arancast episode is about one of the most loved beverages across the world. It's beer. Even though 160 million people in India consume beer, India ranks 66th in per capita beer consumption globally. The reason for that is that we're a hard liquor drinking market. तो guys, मैं पंजाबी हूँ और मैंने अपने घर में बड़ों को सिर्फ पेग शेक मांगते सुना है. Beer is never asked for. But the biggest disruption in all markets globally has finally come here. It's Gen Z. This episode brings me to Kadak Brew Pub in Mumbai, where the co-owner Mayank Shekhar takes me through a journey of the history of beer and craft beer in our country. And he tells me that it's Gen Z that he's banking on to help grow his business. So without further ado, let's get into this episode. Hi Mayank, thank you so much for letting Anandcast come to you.
No, the pleasure is all mine here.
I guess you love beer a lot. Time to express your love for beer.
See, I would say that I was not always a beer lover.
Okay.
The love, it was only when that I traveled abroad to Europe, in fact. That's when I first tried different styles of beer, because Europe already had craft beer culture then. It was way back, I think 2004 or 5. That was when I went to UK. I used to work with a cruise liner. I went to UK, I traveled a lot of European countries and tried a lot of beers there. And that's when I think I fell in love with these different styles of beer.
What is the culture of beer? What is the emotion people attach to drinking beer?
I would say beer is a very irreverent sort of a drink. I mean, beer is a drink where you don't need a mood. That's how I look at it actually. It has got a very rockish sort of a feel to it. You know, if you see football matches, you would see beer being associated with football as a game, because you see a lot of football matches, people are chugging beers or they are drinking beers, you know. So yeah, so beer is something, जैसे for example हम लोग बोलते नहीं है विस्की के लिए चलो बैठते हैं, टाइम निकालो बैठो रात को 8 बजे के बाद, क्योंकि यार 8 बज गया, अब कुछ तो उसके लिए आपको मूड चाहिए, माहौल चाहिए. आई थिंक विद बियर्स दैट्स नॉट द केस. बियर इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन, जब भी मन किया तभी उठ के आप आई वुड से कि यार इसको अल्कोहलिक बेवरेज भी क्यों बोलते हैं. चलो ठीक है, देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ अल्कोहल. Beer is like don't drink beer to get drunk. Beer is something that you should enjoy, just enjoy.
That makes sense. आपने यूरोपियन कल्चर, बियर कल्चर की बात की. वहाँ पे लोग they don't treat it as alcohol. It's everyday drink for them. It's a refreshing beverage.
So if you see, you go and make a visit to any of your friends' place in UK, they'll offer you beer. जैसे हम लोग पानी पिलाते हैं ना, आइए बैठिए पानी पीजिए, वैसे वो बोलता है आइए बैठिए beer, have a beer. In India, there's a lot of taboo around alcohol. There's a lot of the way that we look at alcoholic beverage. So somehow I think beer जो है ना उसी में कहीं पे छुप सा गया है. यूरोप में ऐसा नहीं है. It's very young age that they start picking up drinking beers. So beers are very very common there.
And what is the beer culture in Mumbai? You run a bar in Mumbai.
Awareness की कमी है. People don't know what craft beers are in particular. That has got to do a lot with the microbrewery scenes here in Bombay. Craft beer revolution in India started way back in 2009-10. It was a place called Dulali, which is still there.
Yeah,
there are a lot of Dulali tap rooms you would see in Mumbai. सोचो ये मुंबई से start हुआ, let's say महाराष्ट्र से start हुआ, but then somehow fast forward to 2024, we have very less microbreweries here in Bombay compared to what has happened in let's say Gurgaon or Bangalore. There are a lot of microbreweries in Pune, even in Hyderabad. Calcutta has some fantastic, microbreweries. But Mumbai, we haven't seen much of a microbrewery. There were quite a few, but then they all got shut. I don't know why.
It's also a hard liquor drinking crowd, I feel here.
See, यहाँ पे एक तो culture क्या है? I think the culture is more of a quarter bar sort of a culture. That is primarily because I think the price point that they have. Price point plays a very, very important role. People drink to get drunk. So you would not want to spend too much money on beers. के साथ ये problem है कि you need to have a couple of beer to be able to get drunk.
Cost to high ratio is
बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. For setting up a microbrewery, you need a minimum of a 10,000 square feet of an area. Now imagine 10,000 square feet of an area in the heart of Mumbai.
That's mad.
Huge cost. So that is also a deterrent to the business, as I see, because beer कितनी महंगी बेच दोगे? As I said, beer is a very casual beverage. People would not want to spend too much. एक 240 रुपए का Budweiser here in Bombay is still very costly.
प्रीमियम है.
प्रीमियम बियर में उसको कैटेगराइज करते हैं. अब वो मार्केट जो है देखो एक प्राइस पॉइंट पे चल रहा है, अब आप इससे ज्यादा महंगा कितना कर दोगे? ना इफ आई इमेजिन आई ओपन अ माइक्रो ब्रूरी ऑफ लेट्स से 10,000 square feet of area in a place like Juhu or Bandra, I would easily be shelling out somewhere around 45-50 lakhs as a rent. There's a security deposit that needs to be put in, which is close to about let's say 4-5 months of rental. So just imagine the capex cost that is going up.
Yeah.
You know, kind of break even with your operation will need 3 to 4 months, 5 months. So 6 महीने का आपको running capital चाहिए. Now that all puts together, I think makes the business very difficult. So Mumbai mein, if you see, there are a lot of tap rooms. The Dulali has tap room. There's a brand called Gateway Brewing Company. They have some tap room. Effengut is doing phenomenally well, I guess. That's what I've heard in the market. धीरे धीरे मुझे लगता है कि जब ये more of a tap room market बनना शुरू हो जाएगा, so एक awareness automatically आएगी. I started my journey into craft beer way back in 2011 at Gurgaon. We faced similar sort of problem. लोग आके बोलते थे यार ये क्या पिला रहे हो, लस्सी जैसी ड्रिंक, you know, because सी देखो मीठी वाली जो है ना वो बहुत ज्यादा beers है नहीं. Again there's a misconception that ciders are also beers. Ciders are not beers. The ciders are ciders. Cider is a different category. It is in between beer and wine. There's a sweet little space for cider, which is a fruit based beverage. जैसे stout है, which is an ale, Indian pale ale है. And these are the beers that people drink a lot in European countries. But India में हमारा पहले ही नहीं है. जैसे हम लोग इंटरनेशनल बिटरिंग यूनिट्स में बात करते हैं कि बियर जो है वो 80 IBU की है, 60 IBU की है. बिटर बियर्स इंडिया में हमारे पहले नहीं है. I mean, most of the people, masses will not drink that. So we've seen that there is a sweeter side of notes that people actually started liking. Now Belgian wheats are selling really well.
Yeah, makes sense.
Because of it being a little milder in nature, and I think because of the flavors that it offers. Now Belgian wheat is a very interesting beer that started selling. Apple ciders were the only cider that we were, actually speaking, ciders are only apple cider. Apple based are the ciders. So ciders वही बिकना शुरू हुए थे शुरुआत में. Rest of the other beers were just there. I mean, stout टैप पे पड़े पड़े खड़ा हो जाती थी, या हम लोग पी जाया करते थे. IPAs भी कोई नहीं पी रहा होता था. कैसे बोलोगे, जो दिखता है वही बिकता है ना. अब लोगों को वो कहीं दिख ही नहीं रहा है तो कैसे होगा. उनको लगता था यार यू क्रिएटेड समथिंग ऑन योर ओन एंड नाउ इट्स अ फैड. कुछ भी बोलोगे तो थोड़ा ना पी लेंगे. यूज्ड टू फॉल बैक टू द बॉटल बियर. द पीपल दोज हु दैट टाइम वर वेरी वेल ट्रैवल्ड, जो यूरोप वगैरह होकर आए थे. ना गुड़गांव ऑल्सो बीइंग दैट टाइम वाज एन IT hub. People used to travel to Europe, from Europe people used to come back.
So they're exposed to that culture.
उनका एक अच्छा सा कल्चर हुआ करता था टीम आउटिंग का, which is something that we have seen in Bangalore, Hyderabad, all those IT places. You go and see लोग जो है टीम आउटिंग के बाहर निकल आते हैं. So when they come out with their European colleagues, they would eventually ask for क्या रियली बियर पिलाओ. Now what happens is, now this is where interest level goes up. Now people say यार वो क्या पी रहा है, क्यों पी रहा है, तो मैं भी ट्राई करना चाहता हूँ. Because now he is also seeing कि मेरे को तो यूरोप जाना है. In a couple of months I'll go to Europe and I'll probably. I think that's how a culture started building up in these cities. धीरे धीरे करके वो grow किया, और वो grow इसलिए भी हुआ I think because of the overall experience around the crafted beer that people started building. Now you go to microbreweries in Bangalore and Bangalore is massive.
Craft beer culture is huge.
See, the places are huge. If the place is as huge as, let's say, I can name a couple of, I think there's a Big Brewski, there's another place called Iron Hill.
Just a big space.
They are huge spaces, huge spaces. They are somewhere around 2,000 seater, 1,800 seater, something that you and me cannot even imagine sitting here in Mumbai.
Right.
हम तो छोटी छोटी जगहों में बहुत खुश हैं यार. ये तो 1800 2000 सीटर माइक्रो ब्रूरीज की बात हो रही. Now suppose you open as massive as this as a project, obviously you're a talk of town. People would want to go to this place. Now the overall experience around it with nice, ambience. Then there is a fantastic music playing at the live music sessions. There are big match screening happening. Then they have pond kind of, there are ponds within the
architecture.
Yeah, part of the architecture. So सब मिला जुला के then you are seeing pretty faces, good people around you, great food. Slowly and steadily there is increase in awareness which is happening.
Right.
So which happened in these cities first. वहाँ पे धीरे धीरे इसके adaptation हो गया. I think Gurgaon also picked up that way. So Mumbai has lagged behind a bit in this entire space. But then अभी क्या हो रहा है ना? We opened first tap room in Dombivli. Now people said don't go there. There is no market there, and we precisely wanted to go to a place which was upcoming and has a high aspirational value. After tea and coffee, I believe beer is the third beverage that is that people drink the most. So इसको भी हमने सोचा कि क्यों नहीं एक ऐसे सेटअप में डाला जाए जो कि let's say Starbucks of crafted beer. Yeah, you have. So then we kind of were very clear कि ये करने के लिए आपको varieties होनी बहुत जरूरी है. You need to have some more varieties under one, roof.
Can we do a tasting while we talk about this?
Yeah, we can do that. We can do that. So that is why you see we have close to about 13 beers on tap. There are fantastic breweries across Maharashtra that जो बहुत अच्छी beers बना रहे. So we have a tie-up with them. Slowly and steadily, there are people who know what we are talking about. The numbers are too less, but then yes, still there are people, and we have got a tremendous fan following. In terms of brand loyalty.
Right.
That has kept us alive there. So our idea was to open smaller outlet,
Right.
taproom model, focusing on the craft beer experience with multiple styles on tap. And yes, we keep on, bettering the experience with every outlet. So the first outlet had no kitchen, nothing. So we were quite happy with that. But then we realized that majority of the time people go out having food in their mind, and then they would want to pair it with the right kind of beverage. So we were lucky to get this space here in Chembur. We thought that चलो यहाँ kitchen अच्छा मिल रहा है. Let's experiment with the food as well. Full-fledged bar here as well. Okay. So bar is something that we have full because we've also realized that people come out in groups. We do not want to educate people because educating is something which is too much of a task. I think it's more of a self-discovery that we want people to do.
That is the only way it stays.
Yeah, वो आपको मैं फोर्सफुली कोई चीज बताऊंगा ना तो मजा नहीं आता. आपको मुझे लगता है आपको खुद से आके ट्राई करना चाहिए. पहले तो जिज्ञासा आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए. हो सकता है आपको बहुत पसंद आ गई, मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं समझ में आया, बिल्कुल नहीं समझ में आ गई. सो आई स्टिल हैव whiskey to fall back to कि चल मेरी whiskey दे दो, तू beer पी ले. So that's why we also have a full bar here. I think now if you look at the numbers that Dulali is doing, it's crazy. It's crazy, and that
They're full
itself
every
shows
evening you go there.
every day.
Yeah.
So it's like that shows the love for beer is now growing. I think with the internet revolution also which has happened lately, in 6-7 सालों में everyone has mobile, everyone has unlimited data.
Right.
They can look at what is happening in the world.
Yeah.
I think a lot of credit should also go to the youngsters. Youth are saying no to a lot of things. They are saying traditionally जो हमारे बाप दादाओं ने किया जरूरी नहीं कि वो सही है और हमें भी करना चाहिए. They are much more aware. I think they also understand the health impact that this consumption of alcohol has on them. चलो ठीक है, we want to get into that happy space, but then we also do not want that addiction of the stronger alcohol.
Very conscious.
So very conscious. So they know कि यार कितना पीना है, क्या पीना है, और जो भी पीनी है अच्छी चीज़ है पीनी. At least it should have a premiumness to it.
And as you said, beer is a very accessible sort of a drink. Dulali also, what really works for me when I go there is that I'm getting to drink in a cafe sort of an environment.
Correct.
Bar में जा रहे हो, club में जा रहे हो, it's too loud. It's not for everybody.
No, absolutely. Right? So that is the case. So that's why I said youth is playing a very, very pivotal role in getting this industry up.
And that is your target audience, young people?
People. I would want that somebody who's 21, 22 picks up, should they decide to pick up an alcoholic beverage, should be a crafted beer.
Yeah.
Because हमारे टाइम में ऐसा कोई option नहीं था ना. When I remember picking up drinking, first beverage was beer. Way back, I was in college, 2000, I think 99, 2000. We used to have those gourmet nights. वो हमारा एक festival हुआ करता था. Basically, the hotel management students used to showcase their culinary skills. So within the first year, second year, and third year, there were different roles that we used to play. Kitchen team used to cook. Service team used to serve people. It was an open sort of event for families, friends, and whosoever can come in. So I remember I landed up behind the bar. So I was into a clearance वाले टीम में थे. First year students यही करते थे यार, जाओ जाके खाली बोतलें खाली ग्लासेस क्लियर करके आओ. So अजय से मुलाकात हुई. वो थोड़ा सा समझदार, चालू, चतुर, इधर धीरे धीरे पिएगा. नहीं यार मैं पीले. That's how I think that was my first beer. और मैं पी कैसा था, अरे यार ये तो बड़ी बेकार है यार, ये कैसे पीते लोग. But yeah, it got me drunk. शायद पहली बार मैं तो रॉकेट बन गया था भाई साहब पूरे. आई रिमेम्बर क्रैशिंग, आई थिंक प्रिंसिपल ऑफिस के सामने ही कहीं पे सोफे में मैं पड़ा हुआ मिला था उस रात को. और फिर सबने तो इट वाज लाइक कि इसको टांग के आप घर लेके जाओ क्योंकि ये तो रॉकेट बना घूम रहा है. So that was my first, I think, beer. But then उसके बाद ना मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा समझ आई नहीं क्योंकि वो बड़ी कड़वी सी बेकार. इट वाज लाइक कि यार ये गंदी वाली, ये बहुत गंदी वाली है, उससे भी गंदी है, इनमें से चूज कर लो कौन सी पीनी है. सो आई सेड कि यार इससे ज़्यादा बुरी चीज़ चाहिए मुझे, वोडका दे दो. तो वी पिक्ड अप वोडका, ऑरेंज जूस और आई थिंक मिरिंडा कुछ डाल के तो मीठी से हो जाए. हाँ बेसिकली तो मीठी हो जाए, गले के नीचे उतरेगी, थोड़ा सा एक हिट आएगा. So ये 3-4 साल ऐसे ही चलता रहा until I went
to Europe.
To
So I was watching this podcast. The guest on that podcast was the founder of Simba Beer.
Okay, yeah.
Simba is really doing well in specific regions.
Actually, क्या इंडिया इतना बड़ा market है that we do not even realize.
You don't have to be everywhere.
You don't have to. They have a very strong market in Chhattisgarh. They have a very strong market, I think, in Jharkhand.
They pushed that tier 2 first.
I think, yeah. No, they are based out of Jharkhand. Their main plant is in Jharkhand.
So the story was that किसी ने कहीं random जगह पे they ordered beer and what they got was dark beer. तो वो उनको फोन करके बोल रहा है कि मेरी बियर काली क्यों है, आपने खराब बियर दी है मेरे को, right? अच्छा. Because he didn't understand कि that specific beer is supposed to be that color, right?
हमारे यहाँ भी ये होता है. Done quite a few campaigns around stout. क्यों किया है? Because we saw attraction there. See on social media with a black beer. क्यों बोलने वाला भी ऐसे ही बोल रहा होता है कि वहाँ पे मैंने एक डार्क बियर पी है. So now people call us कि यार वो डार्क बियर है, डार्क बियर पीने आ रहे हैं हम लोग. बोले आ जाओ यार आओ. Quite a few people who just come in, वो फोटो खींचते हैं, कहेंगे एक पाइन भर दो.
There's an extra appeal to that color, I guess.
तो वो एक जरूर है. But yes, stout is something which is it's very niche. मतलब उसका आप समझो I think very few in last 2.5 years I have seen very few people drinking stout. लेकिन जो stout पी रहा है ना वो सिर्फ stout पी रहा है, उसको अच्छे stout और बुरे stout के बीच का difference पता भी है. To an extent that stout has a multiple within stout there are multiple styles. You know, there are nitro stout, there is a milk stout, there is an oatmeal stout. अच्छा पीने वाला ना बता देगा nitro stout और oatmeal stout के बीच का difference कि यार ये तुमने गलत लिख रखा है. With us is like it's like a 15-day cycle. You know, you brew a particular style of beer, it gets ready within 15 to 20 days on tap. उसके बाद कभी अगर कोई बियर अच्छी नहीं चल रही होती है तो हम उसको नेक्स्ट बैच में थोड़ा चेंज करते हैं. बट आप मेन्यू बार बार तेज नहीं बदल सकते. सो वी चेंज दैट बियर. वो नाइट्रो स्टाउट लिखा हुआ था, वी चेंज इट टू ओटमील बिकॉज ओटमील डालने से ना थोड़ा सा वो मेलो हो जाती है और
that smooth texture
थोड़ा सा. हाँ मतलब आपको उतनी बिटरनेस महसूस नहीं होगी. तो वो बंदा जो है ना वो पीते ही उसने बोला कि यार ये नहीं, ये तो वो नहीं है जो लिखी हुई है. दिस इज समथिंग इधर आए. मैं गिनेस पीता हूँ, मैं गिनेस ही पीता हूँ और ये तो है नहीं, आपने नाइट्रो लिख रखा है. सो विच वाज अमेजिंग. पर ऐसे लोग बहुत कम है.
आपको काफी खुशी हुई होगी उस इंसान से मिलकर.
हाँ मतलब दैट काइंड ऑफ अ कैरेक्टर. फॉर्मल विद अ स्पोर्ट शू, मतलब शर्ट पैंट स्पोर्ट शू, बच्चे और वाइफ के साथ बड़ा डरा से सहमा सा घुसे हमारे कैफे में डोंबिवली में. बेल्जियन बीट है तो यस है. बोले कैन आई गेट अ टेस्टिंग शॉट. पी लो. तो पिया, उन्होंने बोला मज़ा नहीं आया. ठीक है, व्हाट एल्स, आप क्या पियोगे? सर pour me an IPA. I said IPA is a little, bitter. I know. He said, I know what I'm ordering. Then the next question blew me actually. He said, इसमें IBU कितना है? मैं बोला ये इतना टेक्निकल में. मैंने बोला आप बताओ सर, आपको क्या लगता है? 30-35. I said, are you a brewer by any chance? I said, have you brewed beers? तो वैसे था कि नहीं सो दैट सर आई वाज इन यूरोप फॉर अबाउट 6 मंथ्स. आई थिंक बैंगलोर में जाओगे आपको बैंगलोर में लोग आईपीए पीते मिल जाएंगे. यहाँ नहीं पी रहे भी. अगेन आई वुड से कि एक तो देखो उतने अच्छे से कल्चर आया नहीं.
Let's do a tasting. You
Yeah,
guide
so
me
these
through
are
it.
we call this cutting flight. Yeah, that's an apple. That's an apple cider.
It's like apple juice.
So apple cider. Now, since you are from Himachal, one of the best apple cider that I've had is HPMC में सेब.
It's a local product.
हाँ, so आप हिमाचल जाओ. आपके यहाँ हिमाचल में तो आई थिंक there are a lot of people who do those apple based ciders and wines. वो फूलों वाले क्या rhododendron and all those wines that they make. So this is brewed at I think this is 7 around 7%.
Cider. you
इसके
said?
अंदर एक खटास भी है. एक बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग
Yeah.
सेब की खटास है. You have that sweetness of apple as well. And yes, 7% is good enough to take you to that kind of a happy zone.
Yeah. And that's what you said, ki it's somewhere between a wine and a beer. So that's where
Yeah.
the tanginess, the
Correct.
tartness
So
comes from.
wines are, for example, wines are grapes,
Yeah.
ciders are apple.
Okay.
Nowadays, there are a lot of other variation that people are trying. Like you have guava cider. So this one is a guava. Again, one of the highest selling, I would say, beverage on tap is this one. This has got a very unique लाल वाले जो आते हैं ना अमरूद.
Pink.
Yes. Yeah. पेरू बोलते हैं ना पेरू. हाँ, so लाल वाले पेरू का. So try this out. This is very very interesting. इसके अच्छा अरोमा ही लोगे तो बहुत अच्छी खुशबू है इसकी.
Yeah, it is.
And yeah, this is again after having a
It's
couple
very
of
drinkable. It goes down
very
easy.
very drinkable. So beer for a very long time has been targeted at men. बंदा बार में घुस के वो बुलजाई मारता है. गिव मी हेवर्ड्स 5,000. दूसरा बंदा बिना देखे बुलजाई मारता है और बोलता है हेवर्ड्स 10,000. तो दैट वाज दी यार ये तो
Macho-ness,
हाँ ये
masculinity.
दिस इज वेरी मैस्कुलिन ड्रिंक आई थिंक. एंड women have better sense of taste than men.
They do.
Yeah, so we thought कि यार एक बार अगर उनको ट्राई कराई जा सके, something that we can tell them that it's for them to try, very good chance of craft beer picking up again. The
Beer
footfall.
shouldn't be gendered. I mean.
So
beer
yeah,
is
so so these ciders actually help a lot in getting
women on board.
women on board. Once they've kind of settled in with the taste of this, then they'll become a little more experimental. अच्छा और क्या है पिलाओ. So Belgian wheats do well. German wheat do really well. Let's finish up with the ciders first, right?
Yes. Let's go.
So I think try this one.
Mango?
This is again. This is a coffee and an orange cider. Coffee
and
orange cider.
orange, yeah.
ये मुझे पहली बार जब आई थी ना sample to keep on tap, I rejected this beer. I said यार मेरे को नहीं पसंद आई. बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद आई. एक sample keg मंगाते हैं. Let's keep one keg. We'll see क्या होता है.
How it does.
हाँ. And people actually loved it.
Chocolatey, coffee.
I've got a very nice of both coffee and
Vanilla, maybe a little bit.
मुझे देखो जैसे मुझे नहीं आता. मुझे सिर्फ I get orange as an aroma and I then get coffee as a taste.
I'm getting more coffee than orange.
पहले स्मेल लोगे, नोज मेरे ख्याल से ऑरेंज बोल रहा होगा.
Sure.
और जब वो अंदर जाएगा तो शायद कॉफी समझ
But I
आएगा.
really like this. It's very refreshing.
Yeah, very interesting cider. New England IPA. Now this is NEPA. So this batch is a last batch. खत्म हो रहा है. As I said, nobody drinks
No one drinks IPA.
एकदम खत्म होने पर आ गई है. मोस्टली मैं ही पीता हूँ.
Right.
So not the best of I would say the IPAs that we've done, but yeah.
Very
So-
herbal.
So if you, I don't know, there are people those who've got lychee also as a
Little bit. Like a
kind
bitter
of a
lychee.
get-
Fine. I'm getting a little bit of fine.
So IPA is a very complex.
Herbal type.
Otherwise, yeah.
It's reminding me of gin.
So मैं तो ये बोलता हूँ जिसको जो समझ में आ जाए. अगर आपको ये समझ में आ रही है, आई मीन यू डू नॉट हैव टू बी,
Everyone has their own flavor profile.
yeah, so
and
basically
taste,
ये जो बड़ी सो कॉल्ड connoisseurs एंड सो कॉल्ड sommeliers,
yeah.
मुझे लगता है यार वो अच्छी बात है. देयर आर पीपल दोज हु कैन नोज इट, फील इट, अंडरस्टैंड इट, टेल यू कि ये इसमें ये अच्छा है बुरा है. यार आपको आपकी बियर
Enjoy करने का तरीका सबका personalized होता है.
आपको जैसे समझ में आ रही है आप वैसे
Yeah,
बियर.
yeah.
I can go ahead and say that I can judge a microbrewery on the basis of IPA. I mean, my personal point of view.
So I understand that these are ciders and there are specific fruits that go into the flavor of it.
Correct.
What goes into this IPA?
So IPA is a malt-based, basically malt, and then the game is all around hops.
Hops.
Now hops are the one that actually gives you the aroma. The hops are the one that actually gives the bitterness to it. Show it to you. This is so clear.
Yeah.
ये बियर देख रहे हो, इसमें कोई बॉडी नहीं, बॉडी नहीं है.
Some beers have little.
But you should see, you pick up this.
Yeah,
you
it's
see
translucent.
there's a cloudiness around. ये जो
Fruit
है ना,
garden, yeah.
ये क्यों ऐसा है? It is because of the malt. अब malt में क्या है, अगर हम मोटे-मोटे उसमें बात करें, गेहूं, बाजरा,
Yeah.
तो ये सब है. तो इसका अगर आप एक्सट्रैक्ट निकालोगे, you know, तो वो गाढ़ा ही होगा ना. सो दैट इज व्हाई वो लोग ये भी बोलते हैं ना कि ये बड़ी कहते थिक सी है, गाड़ी सी है. तो इनिशियली गुड़गांव में हमने ये बहुत ज्यादा सुना था, लस्सी वाइजन.
हाँ, लस्सी वाइजन.
बोलते यार क्या लस्सी वाइजन है. लस्सी वाइजन इसकी इतनी गाड़ी कहाँ से होगी?
Yeah,
बिकॉज़
the
बियर तो
texture
हमें
is yeah.
व्हाट वी आर यूज्ड टू ड्रिंकिंग इज
A watery product.
watery, very watery, right? It's very clear. All these lagers are crystal clear. That kind of a. So वो ऐसा था कि यार ये क्या है? बट देन आप देखोगे तो वो मॉल्टी है जो उसको अच्छा एक बॉडी और एक यू नो काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट इम्पार्ट कर रहा है. दिस वन इज अ डुंकल वाइजन, दैट इज जर्मन स्टाइल डार्क. सो वी मिक्स अ लॉट ऑफ मॉल्ट.
Okay. Like different grains.
हाँ, सो इट्स लाइक उसमें ऐसा हो सकता है कि 40% व्हीट है, 60% व्हीट है. दैट्स वेयर द प्रोफाइलिंग कम्स इन. 100% नहीं, मॉल्ट मिक्स करके अच्छा ये बनाते हैं. So yeah, Dunkel is again. आप बताओ, मतलब मैं क्यों बोलूं? You should be telling me.
This is very different also.
खाली मेरे IPA के साथ जिद है. 10 लोग भी बोल देंगे कि मत रखो तो भी मैं रखूंगा.
नहीं, I will drink your IPA. I liked it. I think that one was the one that surprised me the most. This one is a little bitter sour, little bit watery also. Not my favorite.
Now this one is the काली वाली beer.
Yes.
अभी तो इसका हेड वगैरह सब चला गया. Otherwise it has a very rich
Foam.
head. Yeah. So this is a coffee stout. इसमें कॉफी, डार्क चॉकलेट, ऐसा कुछ. अक्सर मैं लोगों को अगर लेमन लैंग्वेज में बोलना होगा तो मैं बोलूंगा कि आप ठंडी एस्प्रेसो पी रहे हो.
It does feel like that.
Chilled espresso with some alcoholic.
Makes it, I mean, better than espresso.
Yeah.
There's nothing sweet in this. इसमें कुछ भी मीठा कुछ भी नहीं है.
ना.
Like not even like a touch of that.
नहीं होगा ना, because he again it's a roasted malt. I mean, you roast the malt. Like कॉफी में क्यों उसके bitterness कहाँ से आ रही है? कॉफी चलो कॉफी ऐसे भी थोड़ा सा होता है, but the moment you roast it, तो वो bitterness वहाँ से उठा रहा है.
Rough taste. It's nice. It's nice. Can be drunk. And the coffee taste stays.
During our time, my ship went in for a refit बोलते हैं हम लोग. 7-8 दिन के लिए उसकी पूरी रगड़ाई, घिसाई पुताई सब होती है. और वो 7 दिन हमें मिले. 1 हफ्ते की पेड हॉलीडे हमें पूरी मिली.
Luxury.
सुपर लग्जरी. आई मीन कोई टिक ऑन टाइम नहीं, कभी ये कोई डिसएम्बार्किंग और एम्बार्किंग का टाइम नहीं. आप जाओ घूम लो. There was this island called Gibraltar. वो शायद यूके और स्पेन के बीच का एक आइलैंड है. हाँ, सो जिब्राल्टर में दारू बहुत सस्ती थी. तो हम क्या करते थे, एयर बैग लेके उतरा करते थे. सो लंच ऑफ पे काम होता था. कह तेरा लंच ऑफ है भाई, तो काम कर, सबके पैसे जोड़, जा और बॉटल भर के. और मेरे 3-4 हम लोग अच्छे दोस्त बन गए थे. वी यूज्ड टू गो फॉर दिस पब क्रॉल्स. और वहाँ पे तो सुबह मैंने लोगों को देखा यार स्टाउट पीते हुए. बड़ा आश्चर्य. तो
That makes sense.
सही बताओ तो मुझसे नहीं पी जाती थी. It is not my favorite.
Not for a newbie. Not for a new person.
नहीं, even I think मेरा टेस्ट नहीं है. मेरा स्टाउट का टेस्ट नहीं है. somehow I'm not a
Fair enough.
fan of stout. But लोगों को मैंने तो मुझे बड़ा आश्चर्य होता था यार ये साउथ पी ले रहा है।
मतलब अगर आपको कॉफी बहुत पसंद है तो आई कैन टोटली इमेजिन।
यार मुझे कॉफी बहुत पसंद है लेकिन बट somehow मेरे को स्टाउट नहीं समझ में
Maybe it doesn't work for you.
I don't know, yeah. Again, taste is very, very subjective. Next is what? Next we have here are, I think this one is a
They look pretty much similar.
similar. तो इसमें कुछ लागर्स है, कुछ एक बेल्जियन वीट है थोड़ी लाइट, है ना? I think there's one Oktoberfest lager, another beautiful brewery, Igloo Brewworks.
So you buy
Yeah, we
units
take
for
it
them.
from them. Yeah, we take it from them. Igloo Brewworks has a coconut rice lager and Oktoberfest lager and a passion fruit lager they have recently done. Another lager. So coconut rice lager is again ये सब थोड़ी गर्म हो गई वैसे, बट आप समझो ये वैसी बियर है जो मैं बोलता हूँ कि मुझे अगर कोई बोले इमेजिन माई सेल्फ सिटिंग ऑन अ गोवा बीच,
Yeah.
आफ्टरनून में मस्त ये बियर एकदम मुझे
Very
बहुत
mild.
पसंद है, वेरी
Very
हाँ, बट द माउथ फील इज वेरी माइल्ड, वेरी सेशनेबल। आप इसको आराम से पूरे दिन भर पीते रहो। मतलब देयर आर डेज दैट आई हैव डन दैट कि सुबह से मैं कभी हैप्पी मूड में काम पे पहुंचा हो तो मुझे लगता है लाओ यार आज कोकोनट राइस दो,
कभी ऐसे कच्चे चावल खाओ तो वैसा थोड़ा सा
आ रहा है ना?
taste आ रहा है.
करेक्ट, या
So rice is the main grain in it,
दैट इज व्हाई यू आर गेटिंग राइस।
but is it also mixed with other grains or is it like purely rice?
आई एम श्योर, मतलब आई हैव नेवर आस्क्ड देम दो, बट आई एम
Sure.
श्योर पूरा राइस से तो नहीं बन सकता। देयर मस्ट बी समथिंग दैट दे वुड ऐड। सो फ्रॉम द लिटिल नॉलेज दैट आई हैव अबाउट ब्रूइंग, आई वुड से कि इसमें टू गिव इट अ प्रॉपर बॉडी उसके लिए थोड़ा मॉल्ट मिक्स करते हैं, थोड़ा
Sure.
मॉल्ट मिलाते हैं,
Sure, that makes sense.
अदरवाइज वो बॉडी नहीं आएगी।
Fair.
आई थिंक दिस वन इज एन Oktoberfest lager.
Tell me a little bit about.
So Oktoberfest lager is one of the official lagers that is.
एक lager क्या होता है वैसे?
Beers are brewed either lager or ale.
Okay.
Right. There are two ways fermentation takes place. In lager, it's a bottom fermentation. Ales में top fermentation. Lagers take a little more time to mature. उसको 30, 35, 40 दिन, 45 दिन में लग जाते हैं.
Okay.
For it to be, so these are more stabler compared to ales. Ales are top fermented, फटाफट बनती है.
Fresh.
15-20 दिन के अंदर में ready हो जाएगी and it is served I think on 20th day. So ales are much more flavorful.
Mature flavors.
Yeah, they are
This
much
tastes like a
experimental.
very beer, like something I would
Yeah,
get out of a bottled beer.
so yeah, commercially what happened is I think since lager has that more of a stability to it, it became easier for people to bottle them and start selling.
Yeah, makes sense.
Right. This one is an official lager to Oktoberfest. There was a Prince Ludwig
Right.
जिनकी शादी में बेसिकली ये
Oktoberfest
Oktoberfest lager
हुआ
भरा
था।
था। हाँ, पर उन्हीं की शादी में तो every year they celebrate that. So that's the lager.
Have you ever been to Germany?
I've off lately नहीं. Those were the times where we had no internet. There were no mobiles, so we didn't know.
पता ही नहीं था.
पता ही नहीं था कि क्या है क्या नहीं है. There's a place called Delirium. I had been there. पर वही है, नहीं जानते थे कुछ तो नहीं, घूमते फिरते खाते पीते चले आए. What is this? ये दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा पीने जाने वाली शायद बियर है, बेल्जियन स्टाइल व्हीट बियर. Even nowadays, bottled beer maybe there are a lot of people who claim of making this as a
काफी ज्यादा हाँ बीरा
So
की आ रही है.
Bira White was a Belgian style wheat beer.
Either this question is going to sound really smart or really stupid. Are we looking at like Indian artisanal flavors in beer? Like, are we thinking like once the beer culture develops
Oh,
a little
absolutely.
bit more, like
Absolutely.
fennel beer or
No, absolutely.
mint
There
beer?
are, for example, coconut rice lager.
Yeah.
Is a
Very-
very much our own Indian lager. Guava cider, apple cider.
You said this before also. What is your view on the legal drinking age for beer? Let's not talk about hard liquor.
I've seen a lot of parents being cool with the fact that their 15 years old or a 16-year-old is asking for a beer or drinking beer. We've seen people changing actually after drinking. So that's where the problem is. So for example, what happens is there's a lot of adventure streak and at times rage. खास करके drink and drive. That is something that I am very scared of. होता है कि दोस्तों के साथ अपन थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा
जोश आ जाता है।
उछलते भी ज्यादा है ना, मतलब लाइक आई एम बोस्टिंग माई सेल्फ, अबे यार तू देख मैं तो 4 टिका लेता हूँ. That is where you lose all the sense of
And you don't have the sensibility to accept कि okay I'm too drunk. You don't want to accept that
you
also.
are not in control.
Yeah.
आप कंट्रोल में ही नहीं हो. You know, and then the problem. उसके बाद क्या होगा, जैसे दिल्ली में हमने राधा लोगों ने दिल्ली में ही इसको ज्यादा कोट करते लोग, गाड़ी तो तेरा भाई चलाएगा. वो भाई जो है गाड़ी चला नहीं पाता, वो उड़ाने लगता है या फिर वो सांप बन जाता है. इस बात का रियलाइजेशन हो जाए कि अगर इफ आई एम टू ड्रंक, इधर यू गो आउट ड्रिंकिंग, डोंट टेक योर व्हीकल आउट. आजकल बहुत सारे सर्विसेज हैं वेयर यू कैन कॉल इन ड्राइवर्स आल्सो इफ यू फील दैट यू आर टू. सो होता क्या है कि देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रिस्पांसिबिलिटी दैट कम्स ऑन आवर शोल्डर एज द रेस्टोरेंट ओनर्स, और वो बोलते हैं कि यार आपको देखना चाहिए था. अब आप कैसे देख सकते हो यार, कितने लोग को देखोगे और किसको समझाओगे. सो दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम विद द अल्कोहल.
We'll quickly get into this, the business of running and owning a bar. Tell me, how is it like? अगर कोई फ्यूचर में अपने करियर सोचना चाहता है, if they want to open up a bar, what are the things they should think about?
सबसे पहली बात तो ये कि खोलना क्यों चाहते हो, ये सोच लो.
See, F&B is very difficult. It's the most likely to fail.
Yeah, because it is actually very difficult. It might look to people that Saturday night they walked into a
What a life.
Yeah, what a life. Yeah, look at them, they're enjoying. क्या सही चल रहा है ना, ऐसे चलता है. You know, you buy certain things, you then value add, make it into a different thing, and then you sell it at a different pricing, right? Yeah. So there are a lot of other dynamics behind. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम क्या है, अगर आपको पार्किंग नहीं मिल रही है ना बाहर सड़क पे, आपका बिजनेस कैन गो ऑन फॉर अ टॉस. People say location plays a very important role, and still we have not been able to crack which is the right location for what kind of a product. एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन में जैसे एक पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड चल गया तो जरूरी नहीं कि बाकी सारे ब्रांड्स वहाँ चली जाएंगे. You know, people जैसे कि हमने तो जी प्रोडक्ट बना दिया सबके लिए. सबके लिए कौन से प्रोडक्ट बनते हैं? सबके लिए दुनिया there is you got to define your audience and you need to work really very hard to be able to live every day. You know, there would be days कि आपके पास एक भी आदमी नहीं है. There are no customers at your place. You have your salaries to be paid, you have your electricity rent to be paid. जितना Saturday night का इसमें मजा है ना, उतना ही Monday blues भी है इसमें भी, because Monday blues है हमारे बिजनेस में भी है. People don't go out on Mondays.
Yeah.
And then you see ये जो है ना एकदम शांत खाली सी जगह खंडहर टाइप लगने लगती है. So that also happens in this business. And yes, it's very capital intensive. बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे लगते हैं at one go. So you have to invest first. You have to have the right location. You have to have the right cuisine, great ambience, fantastic music, and some great, people to be as a service, or rather, the service has to be that great. So ये सब के बाद भी there is a possibility that people might not come to your place. And then you see a particular restaurant doing really very well. You don't know why. ये क्यों चल रहा है भाई?
कभी-कभी चल भी जाता है.
So it's like that is also a story. There are passion projects. There are people very very passionate about certain projects. बहुत दिल से बनाया हुआ रेस्टोरेंट है, नहीं काम किया. And I think people those who've been to those places have some very good things to say about that place. Still, after 6 months, 7 months, 1 year down the line, you see कि यार वो कहाँ गया?
I get that this is a passion project for me. मैं दूसरे लोगों के लिए podcast बनाता हूँ to make money, so that I can use that money to make my own podcast.
To be able to do something that you really want to do. और वो करने के लिए आपको कहीं ना कहीं से पैसे चाहिए. हो सकता है सब कुछ सही भी चला, then something like COVID happened. That nobody can plan or predict. हो गया. वो है.
I think we've come to the end of our episode. Mayank, thank you so much.
बड़ा मजा आया मेरे को.
Really lovely place. Lovely beer. I hope to see you more often.
Yeah, absolutely, boss. I want more and more people like you to come and visit us and talk about the beer. Until unless we get the good things or the greater things out into the public, people will not be able to know, right? That is why story sharing or storytelling is very very important.